Interested in our 2010 Holden Commodore? Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle with a reliable 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control. The premium wheels add a stylish touch. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. If safety is a concern, know you are covered with this vehicle's features. Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.